Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve a exponential expression, and this is very important for IGCSE SAT or grade 9 to 11. Let's start. Here is 5 by 3 to the power x plus 1, 9 by 25 to the power x square plus 2x minus 11, and right side 5 by 3 to the power 9. So look, here is some similarity. Here is 5 by 3, here is 9 by 25 and 5 by 3. So this 9 by 25 we have to do something. So this one we can write like 5 by 3, and here is x plus 1. Here is 9 and here is divide 25. So we can write this 3 square divide 5 square, right? Then x square plus 2x minus 11 equals to, here is 5 by 3 to the power 9. Next, if something like a by b square, this one we can write b by a minus square, right? As per negative exponent we can write a to the power minus n equals to 1 by a to the power n. So similar, here is 5 by 3 and here is 3 by 5. So we need to make a similarity. Therefore here is 5 divide 3 to the power x plus 1, and here this one we can write 5 by 3 to the power minus 2, and here is x square plus 2x minus 11, and here is 5 by 3 to the power 9. So look, here is 5 by 3 and here is 5 by 3. So this one we know a formula, the basis of exponent, which is a to the power n times a to the power m. Once base are same, that time power will be addition. It means a to the power n plus m. Therefore here is m by 3 and here is also m by 3. So we can write m divide 3, and here is x plus 1, right? And then we will add this one, but here is minus, so minus 2 x square plus 2x minus 11, and here is 5 by 3 to the power 9. And another formula, if a to the power m equals to a to the power n, once base are same, that time power also will be equal. So m equals to n. Same thing we can write, here is x plus 1 minus 2x square minus 4x plus 22 equals to 9, because here is 5 by 3, 5 by 3 is a base, and power this one and this one will be equal. Now we can simplify this expression. So here is minus 2x square, we can write here minus 2x square, and here is x and here is minus 4x, so we can write minus 3x. Here is 22 and here is plus 1, so it means plus 23 equals to 9, right? Now what can we do? Here is minus 2x square minus 3x, and then plus 23, and this 9 become minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, till then we have no problem. Now look, here is minus 2x square minus 3x, 23 minus 9, it means plus 14 equals to 0. Now we can take common minus, so here is 2x square plus 3x minus 14 equals to what? Equals to 0. Okay, so once we multiply both sides by minus 1, we will get 2x square plus 3x minus 14 equals to 0. Okay, we can write here multiply both sides by minus 1. Okay, so our massive part done. Now we will just try to find out the value of x, and here we can follow two rules. One, middle term factor, and second one, quadratic equation, quadratic general formula. Okay, so which one is easy? This is up to you. This video I am trying to follow middle term factor. So for middle term factor, here is two constant, 2 and 14. Once you multiply, it will become 28, and we have to make 28, and once we addition, we will get 3. So we can make prime factorization. We can divide by 2, so here is 14, we can divide by 2, here is 7. Look, 7 plus minus 4, it means 7 minus 4 means 3. Therefore, we can write 2x square plus 7x minus 4x minus 14 equals to 0. Look, 7 times 4 is a 28, and 4x minus 7x minus 4x means 3x. So now we can take common 2x, so here is x plus 7, and we can take common minus what, 2, right? No, it's not right, totally wrong. Why? Because here is 2, we cannot take common 2 from 7. Therefore, here is only x, right? X. So here is what will happen, 2x plus 7. Then we can take common, here is minus 2, again 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Now 2x plus 7 times x minus 2 equals to 0. Either 2x plus 7 equals to 0, it means 2x equals to minus 7, and therefore once we divide both sides by 2, x equals to minus 7 by 2, or x minus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to 2. Our answer is what? Minus 7 by 2 or 2. Okay, I hope you clear this one, and this math is very important for us. We have to keep practice at home, otherwise a silly mistake can make big problem. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and you have any problem, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.